Hi everyone. This video tutorial shows you how to connect to a PostgreSQL database in Visual Studio Code. We will cover the following steps. In first, installing the PostgreSQL extension for Visual Studio Code. Launch the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, and search for PostgreSQL, add connection. Enter the hostname or IP address of the PostgreSQL server. Add Postgres. Enter password. Enter the port number of the PostgreSQL server. Add database. Once you have successfully connected to the PostgreSQL database, you will see a new node in the Explorer view called PostgreSQL. Expanding this node will show you a list of all of the databases on the server. You can then select a database to view its tables, views, and other objects.